Hello, students. Today we will start with chapter 8, that is atmospheric pollution. Okay, see, here we have to cover acid rain, global warming, ozone depletion, also we have to study here. So, first, here we'll start with the term atmospheric pollution. Pollution, we all know that it is the word which is derived from the word polluters, which means to make unclean. That is called pollution. So, atmospheric pollution first we have to study. Atmospheric pollution, conditions of air made unclean due to introduction of foreign elements. If in air any foreign element it is introduced, and that foreign element it causes air unclean, then it is called air pollution. These sources or these foreign elements, they can come from natural sources as well as man-made sources to air so as to cause adverse effects on living organisms on earth. These foreign elements which are making the air unclean, they cause adverse effect on the living organisms. All the living organisms, whether animals or anything which is living, they cause adverse effect on them. Okay, not only living, we'll study later about the acid rain and all. Then we'll come to know about that it will also cause harm to the non-living things also. Now, pollutants are the foreign elements which causes air pollution. Pollutants like particulates means the suspended solid particles or the suspended particles in air, like mist, smoke, fumes, dust. These the natural sources are disintegration of rocks in soil. When rocks they get disintegrated and they form soil. Man-made insecticides, oil and tobacco smoke, chemical processes, metallurgical plants. So all these cause the particulate in air. Now next is oxides of sulfur. We know that SO2 and SO3, they are the main oxides of sulfur which causes very much amount of pollution in air. Okay, so these are obtained by the decay of plants and animals and volcanic eruptions. So this decay of plants and animals and volcanic eruption, it is a natural source. Yes, and if you are burning fossil fuels, sulfuric acid plants, smelting plants, these all are the man-made sources from where we can get these SO2 and SO3 gases. Now oxides of nitrogen, NO, NO2 and N2O. These are the three oxides of nitrogen which causes air pollution. The natural source of these is lightning discharge, and there are certain microbes also which can disintegrate any substance and they can cause this produce this oxides of nitrogen. And automobile exhaust, fertilizer industry, nitric acid plants are the major man-made sources of oxides of nitrogen. Now oxides of carbon. Two are there, carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Naturally they are like produced by volcanic eruptions and respiration. And if we talk about man-made sources, then incomplete combustion of petrol, if it is there, or when fossil fuels are burned, suppose carbon is there, it will produce carbon dioxide, and exhaust also, they all contain these CO and CO2. Now the last one is hydrogen sulfide, IDE, H2S. It is obtained or it is caused by volcanic eruptions and byproduct in the industrial processes. There are many industrial processes in which H2S gases evolved out. So this is how these pollutants they come in the air and they cause or they pollute the air. So there are two types of sources, the natural and the man-made. Now see what they have drawn here. Earth is here, okay, SO2, NO2, CO2, this is methane, this is CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, chlorofluoro, this is bromine. So all these they are depositing here, the acid deposition is here, they are causing global warming, this methane and all, they are causing global warming, and they are depleting the ozone layer also. Okay, see, these are the main gases which cause ozone depletion, these cause global warming, and these are the gases which cause acid deposition in the clouds. And when these acids they combine with water present in the cloud, they form acids, and when that acid it comes down to the earth, it causes acid rain. So this all we will study later in this chapter only. So here see, atmospheric pollutants resulting in acid rain. These pollutants they cause acid rain, they cause global warming, and they also cause ozone destruction. See, uh, this you have to learn properly, like oxides of sulfur and oxides of nitrogen they cause acid rain. This can become as one word also, or multiple choice in multiple choice questions also this can be asked. Okay, global warming, CO2, methane, chlorofluorocarbons, N2O, water vapor also, see, water vapor, CFBR. Water vapor will also cause global warming. If water vapor is given and these all are not given, then water vapor will be the correct answer. Ozone destruction, CFCs, methyl chloride, CH3Cl, CH3Br, methyl bromide, CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. This is methane, bromofluorocarbon, CFBr. They all will cause ozone destruction. So this was about atmospheric pollution, pollutants, and the results of these atmospheric pollutants. So next we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.